Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel ATMedia. Today, I've drawn one of the most magical and funniest character from Disney, the Genie, right here in Emma's spine. I started off with a simple rough sketch and I drew the outline using curve tool. Then, I carefully added the big cheerful smile, the sharp eyebrows, and of course that classic genie beard and ponytail. After finishing the outline, I filled it with bright blue colors to bring the genie's fun personality to life. Finally, I added little details like earring, the hearts around him, and the glowing expression to make it look extra lively. If you enjoyed this artwork, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more MS Paint drawings, and let me know in comments what character you'd like to see me draw next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.